This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week last week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for GBPJPY, and I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price got to this high level of 168 and then quickly rejected off, forming this nice doji candle there, and then followed by this bearish candlestick pattern. And this bearish candlestick pattern tried to push price all the way down, but quickly rejected off around the 159.5 area, forming this nice long wick over there. But when you look at this, we can see that this candlestick, this bearish candlestick, closed around 50% of this bullish candlestick here. So this evening star pattern is still very much valid and is still quite strong as well. And that is an indication of a bearish continuation. So I'm expecting a bearish reversal, sorry. So I'm expecting price after this rejection here to continue to the downside despite this long weak rejection over there. And then if we go to the weekly time frame or the daily time frame, we can see what I'm expecting. You can see price got down to this level around the 159 area, 159.5 area, which is was the previous resistance area, and then quickly rejected off that area and then got all the way back to resistance, which was previously support. And in my last video, I talked about how if price breaks below and closes below this zone, then I'll be taking the sell trade, which is exactly what happened. And then there was a very strong bearish move, and I was able to capitalize on that, giving me about 300 pips. And price quickly bounced off back up to this resistance level. And now price has formed this doji candle here, so meaning that there's a bit of a stall around this area and indecision as well. So it's a bit of a struggle. We don't know if price wants to break through it or if price wants to reverse to the downside. And when we look at this as well, we can see that we can see a head and shoulder pattern forming as well, with this being the left shoulder, the head there, and price going down to form the right shoulder. And if price does reject off this area here and to the downside, then it's completion of the right shoulder, and then price may get down here or possibly break this support level to the downside. But really, I am not expecting price to break this support level, but if it does, very good as well. But price may just reject off this resistance area around the 164 area and then get down to the 157.5 area here. So the thing is, for the next daily candle, if it closes bearish, especially if it closes below this support area here, then most likely price will continue to the downside. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame where I normally take my entry, we can see what's going on here. Price has been ranging quite a bit. Price got to this support, this resistance area, and then quickly rejected off it, but price hasn't been able to close above that area. So what we can do is again to trade the inside bar pattern for this trade, and it will be putting the lines there just around the highs of the previous candle, or the highs of the smaller candle, and then the lower line at the lows of the smaller candle. And we expect that if price closes above the high on the 4-hour time frame, that is, then most likely price will continue to the upside, and if price closes below the low, most likely price will continue to the downside. Now, the way I'm going to trade this is I'm looking at two major areas, and that is this area up here, the 1.642 area, and the 164.2 area, and the 162.3 area. Now, if price breaks below this area here, okay, then I'll be looking to take my sell opportunities on the retest. Then I'll be looking to take my sell trade all the way down to this support level here, and possibly that's around the 160 area, and possibly down to the 157.6 area here, where I'll be taking my my profit. And on the other hand, if price continues to the upside, then I'll wait for price to break above this zone and close above the zone, enter on the retest, and wait for a bullish candlestick pattern before taking my buy trades to the upside. So for more, I'm looking at this area up here and this area down here here are very key, and then I'll be trading depending on what happens. If price breaks below this area and retest it, then I'm looking to sell the trade, and if price breaks above this area here and then retest, I'm looking to buy the trade. My bias is more towards the sell, as you can see on the daily time frame, that I'm expecting this head and shoulder pattern to form, and hopefully give us a good opportunity to capitalize on. So I'll be waiting for Monday, not necessarily trading, but just waiting to see what sort of results happen on Monday. If the candlestick ends up closing below this support level, and if it does, then I'll just end up taking my sell trades all the way down to this support area over here, okay, around the 158 area. And the reason why I'm targeting it again is if we put our Fibonacci retracement from the swing low here to the swing high, okay, we can see that that level falls around the 61.8 Fibonacci area. So that's why I'm expecting price to fall and get all the way down there, giving us this head and shoulder pattern that we've predicted here. Okay, so, and if that forms eventually, then yeah, it will be a very good trade to take as well. So I hope you guys will be able to capitalize on it, and just make sure that you ensure proper risk management. This has been my analysis for GBPJPY. I hope it's been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.